Okay, so I haven't done a vlog in probably like 8 or 9 months. And so I figured now that I've got a real sore throat and I've lost my voice, it's a perfect time to do one. Okay, so the Lee fishing contest is coming up in about a month's time, and Helena has convinced me that I should try and enter it, see if I can win something. And I was like, well, no, that's for like hard out fishermen who are like, you know, catch like 10-pound snappers all the time. And the biggest thing I've caught, it's just legal size snappers, just legal. But then someone told me that the prize, the biggest prize, actually goes to the most average fish that gets caught on the day. I can easily do that. I thought I'd go out today, see if my neighbour Robin wants to come, and it'd be good to have some company. So I'm gonna go get stuff ready now, and then get the boat ready and then hit the road. Cheers. So Robin has decided to join me. That's Robin there in that car. And so we're gonna go out together and try and catch some fish. So today, Robin, we're gonna be going to Algie's Bay. You happy with that? And we're gonna launch from there. What do you got?
I've got muffin.
Okay. And that's because it's the only place I know, and I'm a creature of habit. So let's go there and see if we can get some fish there.
Right.
Sorry about my voice. Okay, time to go and get some bait, because the bait I've got from my freezer is about a year old. Sorted. Okay, we've come out to a spot not far from Rabbit Island, which is over there somewhere, there, maybe. Actually, no, I don't know where it is. It's behind us somewhere. Robin's just been at a meeting. I'm going to try and get us set up for fishing.
Well, I think it'll still, you could add an extra column, because it literally will just take the boundary of the spreadsheet.
Don't get too
It's a
excited.
shark, must be.
So, just a few little nibbles. Nothing exciting.
Where is it?
Bites. Yeah, the bait's there. Ah, it's not, yeah, so it's definitely something there.
Sign it up. Close. What do I do?
Next step, we'll put some more bait on.
Well, you just chucked it all the way.
No, I didn't. There's fucking heaps there. What's Robin got? Oh, it looks like a good sized fish. Oh, no, it's very small. Sorry. Oh, no, that's a decent. No, that's a good one. Probably not, yeah. Might be a centimetre too small. Measure. Okay, that was an awesome day out fishing. Robin, with Felix's little kids fishing rod, he caught 3 fish, one of which was 31 centimetres, so that's a keeper. And with my rod, I caught nothing. Yeah.
Yeah. Sometimes, well, what it came down to, as we discovered, was the rusty hooks. They like the rust.
Yeah.
So, as soon as I switched to the new stainless steel, nothing. Oh, I caught that one on the belly.
You did catch one on the side, yeah. So we're now going to the pub to drown my sorrows because I didn't get a play fish. Robin's parking has left me. It's nice to go there. Jam me right in there.
The guy out the other side.
Alright, okay. So a glorious end to a glorious day. 3 fish, 1 keeper, and it wasn't mine.